Welcome to VNU IS. This is our third edition of VNU IS TV in English, and I am Tuyet Hoa. In May, VNU IS welcomed students back to the lecture hall after the long absence due to COVID-19 pandemic. However, we have not been idle. Besides, we planned various events and activities toward the anniversary of President Ho Chi Minh's 130th birthday and the 4th VNU IS Communist Party Committee Congress, term 2020-2025. After more than 2 months of online learning, VNU IS students have returned to our lecture halls to continue the second semester program of 2019-2020 academic year. In order to prepare the students for the return to face-to-face learning, VNU IS cleaned and disinfected all classrooms and renovated the country yard area and C building hall. On the first day at school, VNU IS set up a table to distribute free antibacterial masks to the students and check the body temperature before they entered the classrooms. The students were reminded to preventive measures against COVID-19, such as wearing face masks when studying, frequently washing their hands to remove bacteria, and social distancing practices. A research project conducted by Dr. Trần Quang Tuyến was founded by the National Foundation of Science and Technology Development, NAFOSTED, in the first phase in 2020 for topics in the fields of social sciences. Dr. Tuyến, a new lecturer of the Department of Social Sciences, Economics and Management, has conducted 2 science and technology topics founded by NAFOSTED and 2 topics at the VNU level. He has published 40 international articles, including 30 SSCI and 10 Scopus articles. In order to share in the difficulties with the students' families, VNU IS has decided to reduce tuition fee for the second semester of the 2019-2020 academic year by 7% for students of the undergraduate programs. In addition, students will be allowed to extend their payment time for up to 3 months beyond the original deadline. VNU IS international students are important members of our family. To that end, VNU IS staff and students have supported them during the COVID-19 by donating and sending financial aid and gifts, including basic necessities. This has contributed by spreading a humane message to the international community all over VNU Hanoi. In early 2020, Lung Hua University of Science and Technology won the title of the most popular private university in 2020 and reached the top 20 most popular universities ranked by businesses in Cheers and Foresight magazine. At the same time, the Master's Program in Marketing Research and Operations, a joint training program between Nantes University in France and VNU IS, was ranked one of the best Master's Program in 2020 by Eduniversal, an NGO ranking organization. In May, the cells under the VNU IS Communist Party Committee successfully organized the 3rd Congress of the 2017-2020 term and prepared for the 4th Congress of the VNU IS Communist Party Committee 2020-2025 term. During the past term, under the close and direct guidance of the Party Committee, the party cells achieved remarkable results. In the 2020-2023 term, the cells should join together and successfully implement their resolution of the cells Congress meeting. Mr. Nguyễn Văn Tang, Secretary of the VNU-IS Ho Chi Minh Communist Youth Union, was one of 6 young members of VNU to be honored at the ceremony to commend the young Communist Party members following Uncle Ho's saying in 2020. In this capacity, Mr. Tang has promoted and advocated in raising the quality of party members. He has been of exemplary character by stimulating creativity in his job and showing leadership qualities. Mr. Tang has well propagated the fire to the successive generations and pioneered in difficult and new jobs. Hence, he has helped strengthen and develop the Youth Union organization. With the slogan "Sports to Improve Health and Fight Off Diseases," a running competition organized by the VNU-IS Labor Union named VNU-IS Run 2020 has attracted the participation of numerous staff and students in the school. The online physical fitness activity has brought VNU-IS members together to create a healthy and united learning and working environment. The VNU-IS Youth Union also showed great initiative in deploying a series of meaningful activities, such as organizing a contest to understand more about the VNU-IS Communist Party Committee, implementing training programs for union members and students to meet the 5 best performances standards, deploying the programs entitled "One Good Job Per Day, One Good Story Per Week," as well as others, all of which encourage students toward welcoming Uncle Ho's birthday and the party congress at all levels. In an educational institution, the lecturers play the core role in shaping the quality of training, the quality of graduates, as well as the USP, unique selling point of the students upon their graduation. Speaking with us today on how the VNU-IS Communist Party Committee has led the implementation of staff development is Dr. Trần Đức Quỳnh, the member of the Standing Board VNU-IS Communist Party Committee and the head of the Department of Natural Sciences and Technologies. Dr. Quỳnh, thank you for accepting the invitation to join our program today. Could you tell us why building a team of highly qualified lecturers with excellent research capacity is considered a central task in the process of building and developing VNU-IS present and future aspirations?
As we know, the role of university is to produce high-quality human resources, foster talent, research and development. That it is necessary to build a team of high qualified lecturers who is dedicated in training and research activity. VNU-IS considers them to be the key factor for the development and quality improvement of both training and research activity, which is why we base a lot of attention to building a team of experts and excellent lecturers.
In the 2015-2020 term, what did the VNU-IS Communist Party Committee achieve in building the current team of lecturers who possess both academic expertise and proficiency in foreign languages, as well as world-recognized research capacity?
Under the guidance of VNU-IS Party Committee for the 2015-2020 term, VNU-IS has implemented strategic policy to develop its lecturer team. As a result, the number of lecturers has increased more than 25% compared to the beginning of the term. The ratio of PhD lecturers has also increased from 40% to 55%, and many of them are leading experts in economics and technology. Besides, we invited about 120 visiting lecturers from top universities in Vietnam and worldwide to collaborate in training and research activities. We are proud that there are leading experts working for us such as Professor Ho Tu Bao, who is working as an advisor for our Bachelor of Data Business Analytics program, Professor Lê Thị Hải An from University of Lorraine, France, who is working as a director of our Data Science and Optimization of Complex System Laboratory, Professor Nguyễn Đức Khương from France, who is working as a vice head of steering board for our Visiting Scholar program. He's also helping us develop the VNUIS scientific journal and attract more foreign lecturers.
Could you tell us what the roadmap for developing lecturers and researchers in the upcoming 2020-2025 term has been set by the party committee?
In the upcoming period, we are implementing new policy to attract more highly qualified lecturers and researchers. Hopefully, by 2025, the ratio of PhD permanent lecturer will increase to 70%. In addition, we are developing new research team of leading experts to address crucial problems in artificial intelligence, blockchain, and business analytics. We hope that this research team will help us convert the academic research into practical solutions and useful application to enhance the training quality at VNUIS and contribute to the development of society.
Thank you for joining us today. We wish you and the VNUIS Communist Party Committee continued success and well in fulfilling your important political task of the 2020-2025 term.
Thank you for inviting me to join the program.
This is the end of our VNUIS TV 3rd edition. Please look for us again in June. If you have any comments, please send them to truyền thông@isvnu.com. Thank you and see you again.